Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Home Remedies presents How to thin your blood naturally and prevent deadly blood clots. Your body has a way of protecting you from bleeding. Most of the time, your blood's ability to clot is a good thing, but there are times when blood clots can be dangerous. If you have certain conditions like an irregular heart rhythm or a congenital heart defect, or if you have had certain procedures like heart valve surgery, your doctor may prescribe a blood thinner. These conditions and the surgery increase the chance of life-threatening blood clots. Such clots may cause a heart attack or stroke. Blood thinners lower your chance of heart attack and stroke by lessening the chance that blood clots form. The good news is that all of this can be avoided by simply making your blood thinner. Don't worry, you won't need blood thinners at all. In fact, I'm going to show you a few natural ways to thin your blood and prevent the formation of deadly blood clots. Additionally, in the video, you can find a list of natural blood thinners you need to add to your diet starting today. Eat a healthy diet, as high cholesterol levels are one of the main risk factors for blood clots. Keeping them under check will reduce the risk of blood clots. Avoid eating processed food, unhealthy fats, and a lot of sugar. That's the first step. Add more fruits and vegetables in your diet, and you will be on your way to prevent a variety of diseases and conditions including blood clots. Stop smoking. Smoking is a nasty and life-threatening habit you need to ditch right now. Once you quit, you will improve your heart health and your overall health as well. It won't be easy, but you can do it. It's for your own good. Physical activity. You won't get rid of that excess weight or high cholesterol by doing nothing all day long. Start working out or at least walk more in order to stay in shape and lower the risk of blood clots. Natural blood thinners. Vitamin E. Foods rich in vitamin E will keep your blood oxygenated and thinner. You can find the vitamin in avocado, broccoli, leafy green veggies, squash, kiwi and almonds. Omega-3 fatty acids. Fish, pumpkin seeds, walnuts and olive oil are all full of omega-3 fatty acids, one of the most important compounds for our health. Add these foods in your diet and you should feel much better. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that can keep your vascular health in perfect order. You can find it in kale, cabbage, fermented foods and citrus fruits. Ginkgo biloba supplements. Ginkgo is an excellent blood cleanser and thinner that can reduce the fibrin content in your blood and prevent blood clots. Garlic. Garlic, along with olive oil and onions, are natural blood cleaners and antibiotics that can prevent blood clots better than any medication. Turmeric and ginger. Both ginger and turmeric are great blood thinners that can prevent blood platelets from clumping. This will lead to thinner blood and stop blood clots from causing a host of problems. Cayenne peppers. Cayenne peppers can have a powerful blood thinning effect on your body because of the high amount of salicylates in them. Cayenne peppers can be taken in capsules or easily ground up as a spice for food. In addition to thinning your blood, cayenne peppers can lower your blood pressure and increase circulation. If you find this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value, and don't forget to share on your social networks so that other people can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.